Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WMIH. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis, although it's been a few days since the last update I did, and want to just kind of hop here on the daily chart and take a look at things. And really, as you'll see, there's not a whole lot of things that I can talk about. The overall chart is definitely kind of in a wait and hold type pattern, but nonetheless, we'll get some of these levels of that pattern mapped out. But let's just first establish the overall context of things. And the overall context is that the bulls have, very clearly made just an insane move when you consider that, just a few weeks ago, the price had gapped down there, and now all of a sudden the price is, consolidating and going sideways up in that range. In fact, from a technical pattern perspective, you could call this a bull flag pattern, bull pennant, well, whatever floats your boat. Overall idea here, though, is that, there's a big bull pull that has been put into place, and, that occurs when, good solid price movements occur in the upwards direction. So that's kind of the big context of things. The price has made a great move to the upside, but now let's focus more so on some of these near-term levels. And the, current near-term level and why it's kind of a wait and see is, well, right now the price just continues to hold up above $1.57. On a few different occasions, the price, went down there over the past couple of days, and the bears try to press down through there. But to give credit where credit's due, the bulls held very nicely. So that is, the current, short-term, near-term level of support as far as, the overall chart is concerned. Now, what about where the sellers were currently hanging out at? And like $1.57, this is pretty cut and dry too. On a couple of different occasions, the prices try to get up through $1.67 and couldn't quite do it. So as it stands right now, and I don't want to come across like this is some sort of epic discovery or epic, statement on my part, but it's very well, the price is already in the sideways channel again. The top of the channel being $1.67. Bottom of the channel being $1.57. So to see the price just do a little bit more consolidating and go sideways in the channel, looks like it could be a very real possibility. The good news here is that all this is occurring on lower volume, as anybody that understands charts will tell you. During consolidation, during sideways price actions or pullbacks, when you see volume drop off, that's definitely a good thing relative to the upwards price movement days. So, from a volume analysis standpoint, good to see that volume has dropped off during this sideways price action. But yeah, not much else to see or say until, something actually happens. And something happening would be either a break out to the upside of the pattern or a break down to the downside. But until then, everything can pretty much be summarized with the one word of consolidation. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.